Today we talk about how can you turn on this sign or know how you can do that on your OpenTable app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going when you click in this photo, it's going to take us here in this list, and all you have to do now, just click on account settings. So then we come to this list here, then all you have to do, just click here on communications and you come to this list here, then you go down and you click here on email notifications. So then it's going to take us to this list, then you come to new to open table, you click in this sign here, then like you see this color show for us, no, that's mean new to open table turn on, no, then you go above this sign, click on it, click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.